Today we are going to learn about a new concept, calcination and roasting methods in metallurgy. Students, last class I discussed some concentration methods in metallurgy. Now today I am going to discuss the concentrated ores are converted to metal oxides. Concentrated ores are converted to metal oxide. Previously, I discussed so many impurity ores are concentrated by using different methods like force flotation method, magnetic separation method, gravitational method, hand pickling method, and so many methods are discussed. Now some of the chemical methods like leaching method, MacArthur Forest Cyanides method, and so many methods are discussed. Now today I am going to discuss the concentrated ores are converted to metal oxides. This process involves two methods. One of the method is calcination, and the second one is roasting. First I am going to discuss calcination. What is the meaning of calcination? What is the meaning of calcination? The concentrated ores, like some of the examples, carbonate ores, the concentrated carbonate ores react with high temperature conditions in the absence of ore. Okay, so for example CaCO3, this is a calcium carbonate or limestone. This calcium carbonate ore react with high temperature conditions in the absence of air. In the absence of air, to produce calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, the metal carbonates are react with high temperature conditions in the absence of air to produce metal oxides. Okay, metal carbonates, these are metal carbonates. So these are metal oxides. Okay, the metal carbonates react with high temperature conditions in the absence of air to produce metal oxides. This process is known as calcination process. Next one, roasting method. Okay, roasting method means, so this is also used for the concentrated ore is converted to metal oxide. This method is also used, the concentrated ore is converted to metal oxide, but especially this method is applicable for sulfide ores. This method is applicable only for sulfide ores. For example, zinc sulfide react with oxygen in the presence of air. In the presence of air, it is converted to zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. Another example is taken: lead sulfide react with oxygen in the presence of air, it is converted to lead oxide and sulfur dioxide. Okay, and another example is also observed: silver sulfide AgS react with NaCl, it is converted to silver chloride and sodium sulfide. Yes. Okay. Now, this method is observed. The sulfide ores like zinc sulfide, lead sulfide, silver sulfide, the sulfide ores except silver sulfide react with salt water, it is converted to silver chloride. This is also one of the roasting method, but especially the direct principle of roasting method is the sulfide concentrated ores react with oxygen in the presence of air. These are converted to metal oxides. This method is known as roasting method. Okay, and also these methods are observed, some impurities are also eliminated, water molecule is also eliminated. So another example, Al2O3, 2H2O, this is a bauxite. This concentrated ore, this ore is concentrated by using leaching method. This concentrated ore react with high temperature conditions in the absence of air. In the absence of air, it is converted to pure aluminum oxide. So, and water molecules are evaporated. This method is also known as calcination method. Okay, these methods are used. The concentrated ores are converted to metal oxide. Okay, and the next step in metallurgical process, the metal oxides are converted to pure metals by using different techniques. So now the next step is metal oxides. Metal oxides are converted to metals. The metal oxides are converted to metals. Okay, students, the metal oxides are converted to metals. Okay, metal oxides are converted to metals. For example, first method is smelting process. Smelting process. Smelting process. Generally, the metal oxides, for example, MXOY, this is the general formula for metal oxide. This metal oxide react with the coke. This is carbon is indicated as coke. So the metal oxide is converted to pure metal. This is a pure metal, and the carbon is converted to Y moles of carbon monoxide. Okay. This process is known as smelting process. This process is known as smelting process. Smelting process means the metal oxides are react with the coke. The metal oxides are react with coke, the metal oxides are converted to pure metal and eliminated carbon monoxide gas. This process is only applicable some metals. Only it's converted limited metals. That metals are iron, tin, lead, copper, chromium, manganese. Only these metals are converted, these metal oxides are converted to pure metals. Okay, the smelting process is used only, some metal oxides are converted to metals, pure metals. That metal oxides are iron oxide, tin oxide, lead oxide, copper oxide, chromium oxide, manganese oxide. Only these oxides are converted to metals. This is the explanation for smelting process. And next one, these metal oxides are converted to metals. This step is involves so many reducing agents. This step is followed by some reduction methods. The metal oxides are react with some reducing agents. The metal oxides are converted to pure metals. For example, react with hydrogen. React with hydrogen. Generally, hydrogen react with molybdenum oxide, molybdenum oxide, MO2O3, molybdenum oxide, tungsten oxide, tungsten oxide, W2O3, nickel oxide, NiO, molybdenum, tungsten, nickel. These metal oxides are react with hydrogen. These are converted to pure metals. Okay. And next one, react with electropositive elements. React with electropositive elements like sodium, magnesium, calcium. Electropositive elements like sodium, magnesium, calcium. So, zirconium, titanium, vanadium, these metal oxides react with sodium or magnesium or calcium, react with magnesium oxide, react with electropositive elements like sodium, magnesium, calcium, like zirconium, titanium, vanadium. These metal oxides are react with electropositive elements like sodium, magnesium, calcium. These are converted to pure metals. Okay, this is one of the method for the metal oxides are converted to pure metals. And next one, react with water gas. React with water gas. Water gas means CO plus H2. The combination of carbon monoxide and dihydrogen, that is known as water gas. That is known as water gas. So generally the nickel oxide react with water gas. It is converted to pure nickel. It is converted to pure nickel. Okay. So these are the different methods for the metal oxides are converted to pure metals. The metal oxides are converted to pure metals. And one of the method is observed electrolytic refining method or electro refining method. Okay.